Hello guys, how to fix failed to create system restore point error code 0x80070422 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And you also facing such type of issue, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and in run command box type services.msc to open services windows in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Launch services windows and make sure that some services must running in your system and a startup type set as automatic, and the first one is Windows backup. Look for Windows backup services, apply a double click on it to open, and make sure that a startup type is set as automatic. Click on it and choose automatic, and if you found services status is stopped, then start it and press apply and OK. The next services you must check is volume shadow copy. Apply a double click on it and also make sure that a startup type is automatic and the services is duly a start mode. So set automatic and services status, start these services. And after that, click on apply and OK to save the changes from the bottom of the page. The next services is com plus event. Look for com plus event system. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and also start these services. And finally choose apply and OK to save the changes. The one more services you must check is remote procedural call locator. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic, and if services is disabled, then start remote procedural call locator services. Choose apply and OK to save the changes. The next one is system event notification service. System event notification service. Apply a double click on it, set as a startup, type as automatic and set start and press apply and OK to save the changes. And now check whether your system restore point failed to create error is resolved. Not go to the next fixes. The next one is open control panel in your system. Open it and here look for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on it and temporarily disable Windows Defender Firewall from your system under both the network, private network as well as public network. Temporarily disable. After your problem is resolved, turn on Windows Defender Firewall on your system for security reasons, and check whether your system restore point failed to create error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes and make sure that your system has sufficient memory space available. Go to File Explorer of your system and check your C drive is having sufficient memory on your system. If not, then go to Windows search, type disk cleanup and open disk cleanup and run the disk cleanup in your system to create a space for your system. That's